So this particular strategy has helped me to get 4 clients in just 15 days. I'm being honest here. That's 4 clients, and more than that, like 4 clients are converted leads. More than that, many clients are replying to just by this method. And why this method is helpful? Because in this method, you are not pitching to those clients who are not interested or who are not looking for writers. You are pitching to those clients who are genuinely interested to hire writers and who are looking for content writers. So this is one of the best strategy to land freelance clients. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Akansha and I teach content writing. Do you always struggle to find freelance clients? Are you not able to generate leads and pitch them your content writing projects? If this is the problem that you are facing, then in this video I'm going to solve this problem. I'll teach you how can you pitch freelance clients and how to actually find those clients using LinkedIn and other sources. So firstly, I'll teach you how can you use LinkedIn without wasting any further time. Let's proceed with the video. So first thing before you need to pitch the client is to have a portfolio. If you already have a portfolio, that's a good thing. If you don't have a portfolio, do create one and make sure that the portfolio is in one niche, not variety of niche. It should be specific to a niche. Niche means, for example, if you're writing about mental health, your portfolio should be specifically about mental health, and you should have all the psychology related content in that. Now, next thing, if you have a portfolio, you will create your LinkedIn profile. If you already have a LinkedIn profile, it's good. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, create a LinkedIn profile, update the headline. In the headline, main thing that you need to keep in mind is to keep it specific to your portfolio. For example, if I write content about psychology, I'll be writing this on my LinkedIn profile. Let's say psychology content specialist or a psychology content writing expert, something that gives credibility that you are the specialist in this particular field of niche. Then you need to add a number of years of experience you have, 5+ years of experience in this field or something like this. You need to add a number or proven credibility or something, these words which gives proof that you have the experience in this field. Next thing, once you are done with updating your LinkedIn profile, you also need to add the bio about me section. You can refer to my LinkedIn profile. I'll attach the name of my LinkedIn profile and cover image here so that you can easily find me on LinkedIn, and you can refer to my profile for updating yours. And after doing this, the next thing that you need to do is find clients. How will you find clients? You just need to find their LinkedIn pages. You need to find the pages of those companies who actually hire content writers. How can you do that? You will open LinkedIn, you will write content writer in your industry name, whatever is your niche. For example, your niche is mental health, so you will write content writers at psychology or content writers in mental health. You will write like this, and you will get list of content writers, like the people. You will go in people, you will get list of people who are content writers in this specific field. Once you got the list of those people, you will open their profile, or just directly from the profile you will see which companies they are working in. You will write the name of those companies, or you will open their profile, and from their profile you will just write the name of the companies they are working in. This will give you list of those companies who actually hire content writers in your niche. So this is a very good technique. In this way, you can apply for jobs also and get freelance project also. This is one way to do this. Second way to use LinkedIn for getting freelance project is to click on post. You will write the same thing, content writer in psychology or content writer in health, any niche that you are interested in. Then you will go to the post section. In the post section, you will see all the list of posts which is there in field. For example, hiring content writer in psychology. You will write this in the search engine of LinkedIn, and then you will see posts like hiring content writer in psychology, and you can pitch those people also. You will save the name details of those people who has posted this. You can also set filters. So you can set filters for posted within 24 hours so that you will get latest post of those people who are hiring content writer or who are in need of content writers. This will make your work easier, because generally companies who has posted within 1 week or 2 weeks has already got their content writers or freelancers. So you need to target those posts which are latest, recent. You will now open the profile of that person who has posted this, and then you can just pitch them. This is how you will create a list of all the companies who are currently looking for content writers, or companies who generally hire content writers or hire freelancers. Okay, in this way, you can get leads for both companies who hire content writers in your field and also the companies who take freelance projects. So, there are several phrases that you can use for looking for freelancing projects as well. For example, freelancers in a particular niche can be one phrase, looking for a freelance content writer, or looking for a content writer, like this. These are phrases you can click on, like write on LinkedIn search engine, and then found companies related to your niche. Then once you have curated list of all these companies, next what you can do is to send them the pitch. You can send them a personalized message like, hello, hi Anuradha, this is Akansha. I'm a freelance content writer specialized in this field, your particular field, and you can talk about your expertise. What are the contents that you have written till now? If you are interested, if you are looking for freelance content writers right now, I can share my samples with you. So don't just directly share the sample, or like you can firstly ask them that are they looking for content writers or not. Or if you have a website, you can just attach a website link there. I'll attach my freelance pitch here so that you can use it for reference. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.